Hello class, I hope you are looking forward to week 1 as much as I am. Please make sure that you print out the student course guide as soon as possible. All of our efforts and learning will be centered around and scheduled by the SCG, so make sure you read this document over very carefully each week. You can find this document under Course Materials under the left-hand navigation bar at the bottom of the page in PDF format. For this video, let's focus our work on the 3 discussion exercises for this week. These include the Post Your Introduction activity and the Discussion 1 and Discussion 2 activities. Let's start with something fun. Good discussions are essential for online learning, and good discussions require active engagement by everyone. For each person to play their part, we need to know about one another. That is the purpose of the Post Your Introduction activity, where we get acquainted with one another by introducing ourselves and welcoming each other to the class. For your initial response, write a short paragraph introducing yourself to the class before the end of day 1. Before the end of day 7, write 3 peer responses to the introductions of other students, welcoming them to the class. Now, for discussion question 1 and discussion question 2, please remember to click on and read the discussion forum grading rubric found at the top of the pages of discussion question 1 and discussion question 2. This is what will be used to grade your assignment. Your initial response for both discussion question 1 and discussion question 2 is due by the end of day 3. Your 2 responses to other students for each discussion question are due by day 7. Now please be sure to consult with discussion question 1, Financing and Federalism, in the instructor guidance for week 1 for tips and advice on how to complete this assignment. As a heads up, I would begin by focusing my research on chapter 2 of the textbook, especially pages 35 to 45. For example, pages 40 to 41 are useful because they identify the different kinds of grants and aid that states and local governments can receive from federal authorities. Tip 3 also provides a set of 4 things to think about as you decide whether increases in federal financing of state and local governments is a good or bad thing. There is also an example of an initial response answer which may help you formulate your own responses to the question. As for discussion question 2, you will want to consult with discussion question 2, Direct Democracy in California, the referendum and recall elections, which is also found in the instructor guidance for week 1. This will provide you with tips and advice on how to complete the assignment. As stated in tip 1, for discussion question 2, you will also need to probably look at outside sources to help you in the task of determining if referendums and recall elections are really the best choice when it comes to governing California. I suggest you pick 1 to 2 readings you like and combine them with the relevant sections of the textbook. Then use that material to make your case. Good luck, and please let me know if you need any assistance.